Dear learners, welcome back to MCQ List Study Corner. I'm your host Dr. Velmurugan. This is list keynotes for UGC NET, SET, JRF, KVS, TN Librarian and other competitive examinations based on the new syllabus 2021. Keynote 9, Unit 4, Set 8, topic is NISOT. Last two videos we discussed about NISOT and other activities. If you have not yet watched, the link is in the description box and kindly watch it. Come, let us go. This video deals with NISOT and its applications. More about NISOT related to NISOT, matching correct sequence, abbreviations, resources for further readings, so on. NISOT publications. NISOT newsletter. NISOT published a quarterly newsletter called NISOT Newsletter. The title NISOT Newsletter changed to Information Today and Tomorrow. It's ITT since 1995. It provides information on information systems development in India and abroad, current events, new tools and techniques, interesting internet sites, new database products and services, etc. It also published review articles on selected subjects. NISOT program closed its operations in March 2002. The publication of ITT is presently suspended and the last issue published was issue 3 and 4 September and December 2002. More about NISOT. The NISOT Advisory Committee also functions as the National Advisory Committee of UNICEF and the National Advisory Group for ASTINFO. The NISOT Secretariat has been awarded a UNESCO project for the establishment of the cleaning house on CDS ISIS software and creation of database on library network experts in ASTINFO region under the participation program. NISOT is the focal point in India for the UNESCO program is expected to take interest in framing information policy. NISOT provide funds for the development of Maitreyi software package based on Ingress 502 for CalibNet. Maitreyi software package was developed by CMC Limited. NISOT supported the information policy in India. CDSIS software is distributed in India by NISOT. CalibNet was established by NISOT in 1986 in Calcutta. Delnet was established in 1988 by India International Center at Delhi, which was initially promoted and financially supported by NISOT. Related to NISOT, NICFOS is related to food science. NICHEM is related to chemistry and chemical technology. NICMOS is related to marine sciences. NICDAP is related to drugs and pharmaceuticals. NICAZ is related to advanced ceramics. NICLI is related to leather technology. NICRISE is related to crystallography. NICMAP is related to machine tools and production engineering. NICTAS is related to textiles and allied subjects. NICMAN is related to management, and NCB is related to bibliomatics. Matching correct sequence. NISOT is started in 1975. NISOT is fully established in 1977. NISOT Science and Technology. NISOT is mission oriented. NISOT is information today and tomorrow. NISOT is CDS ISI software. NISOT is CalibNet. NISOT is Delnet. NISOT the focal point in India. NISOT Sanjay software. NISOT Desidag DSIR. NISOT Treasure software. NISDATS New Delhi. NISOT abbreviations. ASTINFO, a regional network for the exchange of information and experiences in science and technology in Asia and the Pacific. CCF Common Communication Format. CDSIS Computerized Documentation Service Integrated Set of Information Systems. DSIR Department of Scientific and Industrial Research. DST Department of Science and Technology. FITT Foundation for Innovations and Technology Transfer. ITT Information Today and Tomorrow. NACITS National Access Centers to International Data Services. NCB National Information Center for Bibliomatics. NCST National Committee on Science and Technology. NFP National Focal Point. NICIZ National Information Center for Advanced Ceramics. NICDAP National Information Center for Drugs and Pharmaceuticals. NICDRAM National Information Center for CD-ROM. NICFOS National Information Center for Food Sciences. NICHEM National Information Center for Chemistry and Chemical Technology. NICLI, National Information Center for Leather and Allied Industries. NICMAN, National Information Center for Management. NICMAP, National Information Center for Machine Tools and Protection Engineering. NICMOS, National Information Center for Marine and Aquatic Sciences. NICRISE, National Information Center for Crystallography. NICTAS, National Information Center for Textiles and Allied Subjects. NISSERT, National Information Systems for Science and Technology. NISDATS, National Institute of Science and Technology and Development Studies. VAPIS, Value Added Patent Information Systems. Resources for further readings. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you like it. Please subscribe to us if you are a new viewer. Please share this video to your friends to get benefit, and please comment if you have any query and suggestions through my YouTube channel or my website below link. Thank you.